Remove all packaging materials. Save the carton and foam packaging for storage when the air conditioner is not in use. Remove the adhesive backing from the mounting blocks and place them on the window frame. Press down firmly to secure them in place. The mounting blocks are now ready to support the air conditioner. Open the window completely. Lift the unit from both sides and carefully place it into the window opening. Slide the unit and position it so the front half rests firmly against the wall. Keep your fingers clear to avoid injury, then slowly lower the unit until it sits securely on the windowsill. Center the unit so there are equal gaps on both sides. Turn the support knob counterclockwise until it locks against the wall. Rotate the nut clockwise to secure the unit in position. Note during installation, you can tilt the unit 1 to 2 degrees outward to prevent rainwater from entering the room. Use a bubble level to ensure the unit is level when secured on the windowsill. Measure the distance between the unit and the window sash. Cut the foam sealer to the required length using a utility knife. Remove the adhesive backing and place the adhesive side against the edge of the unit, then insert the other side into the window. Repeat on the other side. Measure the width of the bottom of the window. Cut the top foam sealer to the required length. Remove the adhesive backing and attach the top foam sealer to the bottom of the window. Pull down the window to seal the unit with the foam sealer. Installation is complete. Plug in the unit. Press the power button to turn on the unit. Press the filter reset button when the filter indicator lights up. The indicator lights up every 250 hours of operation. Press to clear the reminder after cleaning the filter. When the unit is on, press the timer button. Then use the up-down buttons to set the hours before it turns off. The setting range is from 1 to 24 hours. Wait about 5 seconds to save the setting. When the unit is off, you can set an auto-on timer in the same way. To cancel the timer, press the timer button once. When the hours flash, press timer again. Use the up and down buttons to adjust the temperature. The temperature range is 60 to Fahrenheit to 86 Fahrenheit. Note temperature adjustment is only available in cool or energy saver mode. Press the up and down buttons together to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Press the fan speed button to adjust the fan speed level. The corresponding indicator lights up. Note, fan speed cannot be adjusted in dry and sleep modes. Press the mode button to switch operating modes. The selected mode indicator lights up. There are 6 modes available: cool, dry, fan, auto, sleep and energy saver modes. Press the power button to turn the unit off. Press and hold the lock button for 3 seconds to lock or unlock the remote control. Press the light button to turn the display and indicators on the unit on or off. Other functions of the remote control are the same as those on the control panel. Put the water container under the water outlet on the left side of the unit. Unplug the water plug. The water will automatically flow into the water container. When the water drainage is finished, replug the water stopper. Clean the filter once every 2 weeks. Hold both sides of the air inlet grill and open it gently. Remove the filter from the clips and pull it out carefully. Wash the filter in warm water with a mild detergent, then rinse and air dry in a cool place. You may also use a vacuum cleaner to remove dust. Insert the filter back in the correct direction. Secure it with the clips and close the inlet grill.